Hey, Tori here with ToriToth.com, the place to be to create a home buyers or anyone for that matter will find irresistible. Have you ever wondered how high you should actually hang artwork? To get the answer to this question and others, make sure to subscribe right here to the channel. As a home stager, I've seen artwork hung too high, too low, and even disproportionate to other items in the home. So let's talk about it to avoid these silly mistakes. A great place to start is use 57 inches on center, and that means the center of the piece you're hanging should be 57 inches from the floor. Now, of course, this rule may not work in every situation. You may have unusually high ceilings or tall furniture that requires a different placement. In that case, eyeball it. Trust your eyes. If something seems off, it probably is. So place the piece on the wall, then step back and see if it's in the right spot. If not, move it. Many times, size matters, and if the artwork feels too big or too small in the space, it can look odd. Think Goldilocks and the Three Bears. You want the artwork to be sized just right so it creates a seamless transition throughout the home and creates the statement you're looking for. Now you may be asking yourself, what exactly should I be hanging? We recently wrote a blog post on this, and I'll attach that link below, that shares 8 different types of wall art to display in a home that brings personality without being too personal. Of course, if you have more measurement questions, then download our important measurements to know when decorating guide at ToriToth.com/options. And while you're there, check out our other tools to help you create a show-worthy home. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel right here to be the first to know about all our new videos. Until next time, happy hanging.